Jai Prabhu, myself Juliet Singhvi from Jaipur. I was, after marriage I got pituitary adenoma tumor, and due to that, after operation I got hormones imbalance, and lack of estrogen made lot of complication in my body. In 2011 I got in both legs, due to wrong slippers or hormones imbalance, I had a plantar fasciitis, and due to that I was in very big trouble. I couldn't walk, and in Jaipur for 2 years I went to physiotherapy, but there was no changes in my standing up or working capacity. And one of my uncle from Jodhpur, Vinod Sand, he told me about this Gordon uncle and Giriraj ji, and he brought me here to Jodhpur in 2000, around end of 2012. And at that time when I came, I was in very bad position. There was 5 places there were crepe bandages, and I stayed here for 10 days. And due to that, in 10 days I could stand up for at least 5 minutes. And when I saw this progress in me, I had a positivity that I could still walk. Because in Jaipur, everybody put their hands up that I couldn't walk further in my life. And that made me really miserable. And I still remember Gordon Parashar ji. I call him my father, Papa. And he told me that I will make you walk and stand you on your own feet, and you can come running to me. And in his presence, Dr. Giriraj Parashar gave me the treatment for 10 days, and every month for 3 days for 1.5 years I came here regularly. And today I am walking, running, and I can at least walk from 5 to 10 kilometers a day if I want. And it changed my life. And I had thyroid at that time, and during that time 2013 and 14 my thyroid are completely off, no thyroid. And when in reports the estrogen was 0, and after Gordon Parashar ji, my father, he did some techniques. He gave me some massage, and due to that, I don't know, my report started showing estrogen also from 5 to 10. That was also a miracle over here. And again in 2021, in January 1st, due to again little hormone imbalance, I had a spasm in my left area, the lower back, from in L5 and left buttock. So again I was in a big problem because I couldn't work in my day-to-day routine, and I came immediately over here. I came in January. It was really worse at that time, and again I have come in February, and it's really 95% I'm fine, okay. And he said within 15 days I will be normal as I was before. So thanks a lot to Dr. Gordon Parashar ji, Dr. Giriraj Parashar ji, and in fact the whole clinic, in fact the whole hospital, I would say, it is fantastic. Everything is in proper, and it's so clean, hygiene, and the staff, in fact each and every member holds his own responsibility so beautifully. They help you, they give you whenever you need an information. So they are for you basically when you need something. And doctors are all fabulous. Seeing you, they can come to know what I am in problem. So they heal you accordingly that, and they really motivate. And that is the most important in life, to motivate somebody who is already depressed due to his problems. So I think so miracles do happen, I believe that, and it happened with me. So I'm very glad I came here. Thanks a lot.